just on our way out, about to go drop these kids off. We're supposed to get a snowstorm today, so yeah. That's fun. So I'm on my way to drop these kids off. Today I have my husband big this giant bug. Yeah, it is freezing outside. Oh my goodness, it is cold. So I hope you guys are having a productive morning. Oh, I am freezing. Oh man. So yeah. Oh, the steering wheel is so cold. So yeah, I have class today, but I won't be going. I'm just gonna drop the kids off to school. Then I got some few errands that I gotta run. I only have one class today. It's not that important anyways. I did my quiz last night. my test last night online, so it's good. Got it done. It was what, critical thinking, so just did that. Did the assignment, so I have one more assignment left before yeah, I have one more assignment left, but that's not till like April. So, and I already did the other one well ahead of time when I was on my break, so that is good. Oh, I hope you guys are keeping warm. If you're in a warm country, cold country, try to keep warm. And if you are warm, embrace the sun, because we don't have any. So I got a few errands to run. This is our kind of like our last week, our wrap up and stuff. So, and hubby's still away. Don't know when he's coming back. Hopefully soon. I miss my hubby. From he's been to Canada, we have not been apart one day. Well, actually, from he's been here, we've been apart like a little bit just because of work. But other than that, no, we have not been apart, as him being in a very far part of Canada. The farthest he's gone was 4 hours. A 4-hour drive away.
But now he went on a plane.
And the difference this time is he's gone on a plane and it's much further, so he should be back soon. But I hope you guys are having a productive morning. So yeah, got my errands I gotta run, so I'm gonna get on those. Hey guys, so I dropped the kids them off, and now I am heading. I gotta go to Home Depot. Okay, I thought one of the kids left something in here, so I am on my way to Home Depot. I gotta go get a couple more boxes and get a few more errands done and call it a day. I gotta go home, go finish packing. Only got like what, tomorrow left. Yeah, tomorrow's my last day to make sure everything is all packed up. And here comes another snowstorm. Oh my gosh, we've been getting snowstorms frequently this year, which is actually crazy. Because last year we didn't get that much snow. We got a couple of snow, but not that much. So this year has been, yeah, we've been getting quite a few. Oh gosh, I'm excited to move. It's a new beginning for us this year. Like, it's just, I just feel blessed. I feel blessed. And yeah, I look a little bit tired. I was up late, guys. I was up late last night, up to like 1 o'clock doing my my test, because my test is due today. Today at 10 o'clock we had to have our test done to hand in by. So I was kind of catching up on some things and doing some editing, so that is why that it didn't get done. But the vlog will be up today, so can't say I didn't have a productive night. I find I work more productive at night than I do in the daytime, which is, well, I do work productive as well in the daytime, but I find I am more, I don't know, I get a lot more done. Do any of you guys find that way? Let me know in the comments below if you do. To my new abo. So yeah. So I am out. Oh, good. I am reached Home Depot, guys. Oh, they're open. They're open real early. They're getting all ready for their spring. I need a nice mat. I need a mat for my front yard. Oh, 50. Oh, I need some of those hangers. Okay. Stay focused. What did I come in here for? Oh, but I'm looking at all their summer stuff that they have. Their little greenhouse barbecue. Okay. Let me not get sidetracked of what I'm in here to get. I gotta go find the boxes. So I just put it's an online I got a dream last. Oh. Ooh. They got hot tubs and all. Oh,
He's just grabbing it, so he's gonna mildly do it. Comes out a little quicker for you.
kitchen. This is nice. I like this. Ooh. It's pretty. Oh, they got the same backsplash that I have at home. But I like the dark wood. The sink. What do you guys think? Y'all think? Oh gosh. Okay, let me get to where I'm going. Oh, that kitchen looks nice too. But let me get to where I'm going. It is way too cold out there. My hands are freezing. I just had to carry all those boxes, so I couldn't even vlog. But it is cold. Damn, the temperature. They need to put back that freezer. Oh, I didn't know it was so cold. I would have let the kids them stay home today. Oh my god. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Hey, I got two more stops to make. So I need to get that done because I have an appointment as well. So just gonna go. I'm going to go get that done right now and get going. Yeah, I come with the store. I start forgetting what I'm looking for. Yes, I am cookware. Oh my god, it's a bloody ass blizzard up there. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I should have kept my kids home because the snow, it is really coming down. I just left. I didn't even stay in the store for half an hour and look at all the snow. We're supposed to get, I think, is it 10 to 15 centimeters we're supposed to get of snow today? So, yeah. But I still have one more stop to make before I even go where I'm going. I still got one more stop to make. To go get some. Oh, I need to go get. So I still have to go get some disposable plates. So I'm just gonna go to the dollar store for that because I gotta pack up all the dishes. So when I pack up all the dishes now, yeah. So when I go pack up all the dishes now, then we'll just use the disposable plates because everything is getting packed up tonight. I want everything packed up and out the way. I can't deal with this no more. So, but yeah. See this, guys? This is what I'm dealing with right now. My windshield is covered in snow. Well, I hope you guys are having a very productive day. Oh, I need some sunshine. Why didn't I just go that way? Oh my goodness. I should have just gone that way. I wish I was somewhere warm. The snow, what we're getting, it is just crazy. It's all just white and I'm freezing. It's so cold. At least where my hubby is, it's not that cold because Vancouver is not usually cold like Toronto is. Vancouver is more a little bit more on the warmer side, but the temperature keeps dropping. It keeps dropping. Why do I always got to be moving in wintertime? Always got to be moving in winter. I hope it doesn't snow on Friday. Oh my gosh, this is just crazy. I hope it don't snow on Friday. This is just, I know, and like the snow, like it's rock hard that it turned into ice. The ones that we do have from the last snowstorm, when the last snowstorm caught the last one, and now this is another one. So yeah, I think this is the most snow we've seen in the last, what, maybe 2 years? 2 years. So I have one more stop that I gotta make, guys, and I gotta go home. And yeah, so I will pretty much see you when I'll just get back to you guys when I reach where I am going.
Mankind in the easy, them will give you one then you pay. Never said, but we know me are clean and me always feel me can't relate. Oh, you wanna kinda watch over me, so when the wicked them a chat over me,
I'm heading out back in that crazy mess. Thank you for watching over me. Hey. Still gotta live and be gracious, be happy. Oh my gosh, I don't want to come out in this, but I have to. Okay, I'm gonna make a quick run to the store. So this is the whole reason I didn't want to come outside, and as I said, I should have kept the kids at home because this snowstorm has started. I'm looking at these little trinkets for the girls in the room. I always come in here and get like some cute. Always kiss me goodnight. Oh, that is so cute. These little trinkets and stuff. They look adorable. Okay. Jamming. Yes, Bob Marley is in the building. I wanna jamming with you. Jamming. And I hope you like jamming with you. Jamming. And I hope you like jamming too. Okay. Oh, they have the things that I need. Okay. Let me get out of this aisle. Where is the thing I came in here to look for? See, it's like sometimes I come in here, like, that's why I always do my list. I like to have my list because it makes things so much easier. But catch y'all when I go. So I am actually just on my way out the door. I didn't even show you guys. So it's the kitty's room. It's all packed up. Everything is leaned up. It's ready to go. We are pretty much done packing. I just got a few things. Well, my room's pretty much done. It's just a little bit. I see the bed's on the floor now because that's what's left. All that stuff there gotta get packed up. Closet's empty. I got the TV box ready for everything to go. And my living room, guys. My living room is upside down. My living room's upside down from all the stuff that is being packed up. My vision board is over there in the corner, all packed up, ready to go. And just everything is pretty much packed. I just gotta wrap the TVs and stuff. And at the same time, I'm packing up everything, but I am still shopping. My husband's gonna kill me. So yeah, they had water on sale, so I stocked up on water. But I have all those stuff, and I have other things out there in the storage that's already packed up and ready to go. So yeah, I'm just actually heading out to go get the kids right now. And yeah, I'm still packing up, so I'm just did the last bit of dishes and stuff and all that stuff. So I got all those things that I gotta finish pack up. I got a few garbage I gotta get rid of. So that's what I've been doing. Today's actually my last day cooking here. My last and final day cooking here. So after today, that is it for cooking because we will be out. And I can't wait to do actual more videos. Oh gosh, this storm is I hope I have my key. The storm is brutal. I'm glad I stayed home, but it sucks because now I gotta go back out, go pick up the kids in this weather. But moving day is finally here. So, oh great, there's snow all over this seat now. Oh man. Guys, so I'm actually leaving out now, and they've been warning people, if you don't have to go out, don't go out. So it is bad. Let me show y'all what's going on. People already shoveling. Go ahead, man. There's people shoveling the driveway and all that stuff. Oh my gosh, look at the roads. It's only been like, what, not even like a couple of hours, and the snow. Pray that God be with me. I get my destination safe. I feel like I just felt the life flash before my eyes. It is bad. It's been snowing non-stop. The roads are not even clear. Like, it's just crazy.
Ghana girl say she want marry me, yo. I hope so she sabi kukuwa.